What we have here is a modular DJ mixing set made out of recycled hard drives for the platters, recycled mice for these optical infrared quadrature encoders, some transparency paper printed with an encoding wheel, and just some touch sensing over the rest of them, and a variety of sliders and little buttons to light up and do all these things. And of course you could set the mids and the highs and the bass and all that other stuff. And so if I may, I could show them off, but so we have the right side, etc. And then of course on this side, so we can try to do a little mix here, and we'll have something on the left deck. We'll pitch it up a little bit. We'll have something on the second deck. Let's loop the one on the left. And now we'll see when we can come in with the second one. Just set a look on that one. You might have missed it just a little bit. Huh. Okay, we're still good.